To embed a Voki onto your Wikispaces account, we'll go to add code, I think. Hang on. We'll go to view. Oh, I'm already viewing. We'll go to send to a friend. No, I don't want to forward my Voki. I want to add my freaking code. Oh wait, I want to publish the new Voki. Publish this Voki directly to my site. Now I'm waiting for the embed code to load so that I can, there it is. I want to copy the embed code. Then, going back to my wiki site, I'm already in the edit tab. I am going to embed a widget. And I will insert other. And I will paste my embed code and save. And there's my other widget. And then from here I will save. Okay, and there is my hot dog embedded.